Most of the students were praising the writing, the templates that I provide on my YouTube channel. So here are systematically designed templates for writing task 2 of any kind. So these are the some of the lines you can use for the opening of the paragraph. First is, it is often said that you can start the topic with this line. Many people claim that in this day and age, sometimes when they are talking about generations, then you can use this third one. Nowadays, these days, sixth one is, we live in an age where when many of us are um, mobile, many of us are mobile addicted, many of us are technology addicted. So, seventh one is you can start with the topics. Dash is hotly debated. Like, for example, electronic automobiles are a hotly debatable topic that often divides opinions. Like, people think that electronic automobiles are good or not. Eighth one, dash is often discussed yet rarely understood. So sometimes some issues like which are not understood, for example, health hygiene, wearing mask, and prevention is better than cure. These kind of topics are discussed a lot, but they are not understood and adapted by people. So if these kind of medical related topic is there, then you can use this eighth template line. Ninth one is, it goes without saying that, here you will put the topic, is one of the most important issues facing us today. So wherever I have left the blank, that means there you have to add your topic. So the 10th one is, the following essay takes a look at both sides of the argument. So this will be used for agree or disagree or two-way opinion essay. So I hope you understood how to use them. Then after the opening line, you go for the introductory points. Firstly, let's take a look at, to start with, or third one is, first of all, it is worth considering. Secondly, thirdly, you will follow with these words, phrases. Fourth one is furthermore. When you have explained one opinion, then the second opinion you will explain with this fourth example, like furthermore, in addition, what is more, on top of that. So these kind of words or phrases can be used. Then another point worth noticing is, this one is fifth point is for the third opinion that you will present. Another factor to consider is, so the third opinion you will present by this fifth point. So sixth one is lastly, finally, last but not the least. These words can be used for explaining the fourth and last point. This one's for the introductory paragraph of the writing task 2. I'm not, we are not saying that this is for the conclusion paragraph. Then here comes presenting ideas and giving examples. As you know, that giving example is very, very important in writing task 2. That is considered for the separate scoring. So you must put one example in writing task 2. How you will present an example? First line is, when it comes to. Here you are going to start the example. You can after this, when it comes to, you must add noun or gerund. Noun will be the topic, right? And in terms of then again you will follow this with noun or gerund. Then with respect to, then again noun or gerund. If you have any problem regarding some things like you don't know what is gerund, what you don't know what is um what are poetical device, what are like other topics like infinitives, then please let me know. I'll be explaining those things in the videos. Fourth one is according to experts. Then you will add the topic, add your opinion. Fifth one, research has found that. Again, your opinion. There are those who argue that. It will follow your opinion. Not only adults but also kids are mobile addicted. This is how you can form a sentence. For instance, for examples such as, these are very commonly used for presenting any example, but these are some of the interesting ones by which you can present your example for the writing task too. Then comes the third paragraph, that is expressing result and reason. When you're going to present your result or opinion, because in the previous paragraphs we have presented our opinion, then we have presented the example to explain the topic, then we are going to be close to the result and reasons. This is just the third paragraph. This is still not the conclusion one, right? So, how you will present the result or reasons? As a result, as a result of, then you will present your opinion, resulting opinion. Second one is dash has led to. So, here you will put the topic and then you will follow it with this phrase has led to. Then again, third one is you will put your opinion, resulting opinion, and then you will um, follow it with has resulted in. Again, fourth one is consequently. Then you will explain the resulting line. Consequently, mobile usage has affected our mind and mental health, so it should be controlled, right? So this is how you will present form a sentence using these phrases and words. Fifth one is therefore. It's very commonly used. So sixth one is on account of, or seventh one is due to. Eighth one is on one reason behind this. This is quite interesting. Another idea I would like to share is you keep on, after completing each paragraph of your writing task 2, you count the words. If you are short of the words, uh, like if you're very near to 220, then you should use this lesser words, phrases and templates like due to, therefore. But if you have a lot of if you have capacity of for a lot of words, then you can use this eighth one on reason behind this, like it has 5 words, so you can go for this. It all depends on how you should use and count your words. Then again, it's already written in the question only, then that that you must contrast the ideas relating to the topic. So contrasting can be done with these words and phrases: although, even though, and then you will put the subject, that's your topic, and your verb. Although mobile is although or even though the mobile usage is very harmful, yet it cannot be avoided because it serves the purpose of a computer, a PC. Every work can be done on mobile, so it's of much user, but we should use it wisely. Second one, despite, in spite of, then again you will put the noun or gerund. That's the topic. Third one, despite the fact that means कि चाहे ये सच्चाई है कि मोबाइल के बिना ज़िंदगी नहीं जी जा सकती, despite the fact that we can't live without mobile, still we need to use it wisely. We need to control its usage. Fourth one, on the one hand, you will put one opinion over here, and you will follow it with, on the other hand, you will put the second opinion over there, the contrasting opinion. So you can put two opinions in one template. Fifth one, however, nevertheless, even so. So this one is you can put uh, present your contrasting ideas with these words. Template PDF of these things are not going to be available, so I would suggest that you please uh, keep the video on pause and then write it down on your copies. This is the concluding um, phrases and template. To sum up, in conclusion, all things considered, this one's new actually. Second, this one, all things considered. This one is a little different one. Take everything into consideration, weighing up both sides of the argument. The advantage of dash outweigh the disadvantage. This is actually question based, so wherever two opinions are asked, then you can use the third one. Wherever agree or disagree, or advantage or disadvantages are asked, then you can conclude with this line. Somewhere, if you want to present the opinion only, like up to this concluding line, concluding templates, the thing is done. But still, here are some extra templates for presenting opinion. That's as far as I am concerned. As you as you know, you can use I in the writing task one, but you can't use I in writing task. You can't use it in writing task one, but you can use I in writing task two. From my point of view, in my opinion, personally speaking, my own view on the matter is fifth one is a really interesting. You can avoid fourth one actually, because speaking word cannot be used uh, as nicely in writing as we generally do. So I hope these templates are useful to you, and please let me know if there's any doubt regarding IELTS training, and we will discuss and I'll try to help you. Please like, subscribe, and share my channel.